Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. We are learning about letters from A to Z. We have all the letters. Wow, let's learn about the letters. Starting from letter A. A is for apple. A is for apple. This is letter A. Let's find out letter B. Where is letter B? Yes. This is letter B. B is for banana. B is for banana. Letter B. Let's check out letter C. So, did you see it here? Yes, this is letter C. C is for cherry. This is letter C. C is for cherries. Yes, is it letter D? Is it letter D? No. This is letter D? No. Yes, this is letter D. D is for duck. D is for duck. Now, which letter I should choose? Yes, you tell me. Can you see it here? Yes. This one? No. Yes. Letter E. Here is letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Now let's turn to, we have letter F. Next letter is letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. And now, is it letter G? No. Is it letter G? No. So, this is letter G. G is for goat. And now is letter H. Is it letter H? Uh-oh. Is it letter H? No. H. This is letter H. H is for helicopter. H is for helicopter. Now is letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. And now letter J. Is it? No. Is it? No. Yes, letter J. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. And now is letter K. So this is letter K. K is for kite. K is for kite. And L. After K is letter L. L is for line. L is for line. Where is letter M? Here is letter M. M is for mango. M is for mango. Now is letter N. N is for nature. N is for nature. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. And next to letter P is Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Letter R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. Where is letter S? Is it? Or this one? Uh-oh. Yes, this is letter S. S is for star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. This is letter S. S is for star. Next to letter S is T. This is letter T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Yeah, I like umbrella. When it rains, you have to hide under umbrella. V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. W. This is letter W. Watermelon. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. This is letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. The last letter is letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Wow, we have learned a lot of letters today. I am sure you will do the same practice. Repeat these letters and learn. Thanks for watching. Don't miss to subscribe.